Bridge mode, also known as AP mode or bypass setup, transforms your Spectrum router into a simple modem, disabling its routing, DHCP, and Wi-Fi functionalities. This allows you to connect your own router for enhanced network control, security, and performance. Spectrum refers to this as IP pass-through. Essentially, it gives your personal router the public IP address directly. As of September 2025, Spectrum has streamlined this process, especially for newer routers like the Wave 2 and later models, through their My Spectrum app, significantly reducing setup time. This avoids double NAT issues, which can cause connectivity problems, by ensuring only one router is assigning IP addresses. Keep in mind that when using a third-party router and putting the Spectrum router in bridge mode, Spectrum will not be able to provide support for any advanced features like parental controls that may have previously been available. To enable bridge mode, first ensure you have an Ethernet cable to connect the Spectrum router to your personal router. Connect to the Spectrum router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Access the router's web interface, usually at 192.168.1.1 or through spectrum.net/setup, or use the My Spectrum app. Navigate to Advanced Settings and look for IP pass-through or bridge mode. Enable the feature and select your router's MAC address for fixed IP assignment if prompted. Save your settings and reboot the Spectrum router. Once restarted, your personal router will manage your network's Wi-Fi and routing. Note that older Spectrum routers might require manual configuration via the web interface, while newer models often support a simplified QR code-based setup through the app. Always ensure your Spectrum service is active and you have the router's admin password, usually found on a sticker on the device.